Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says GLFW error, the driver does not appear to the support OpenGL. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. First open Google Chrome or any web browser you like and then search for Mesa 3D Windows GitHub. Then go over to this first link and then scroll down a bit till you see Mesa 21.0.3. Click on this, click on releases, and here you will see 32-bit and 64-bit. Just download according to your system type. I have 64, so I will download 64. Now once the download completes, right click on it and then click on extract all. Now just click on extract and then here you'll see opengl32.dll file. Just copy this file and then go over to this directory. This PC C drive program files Java JRE-1.8 and then go over to bin. Inside the bin folder just paste your file and then restart your PC and hope for your problem solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.